Hello kids, Shubha Mangalam. This is Hemlata at Little Scholar High School taking a class 9th biology. We are completed with lesson number 2 children. We have done lesson number 2 wherein we have seen about different kinds of tissues, their location and further division of the tissues and their functions. Now today we shall do with the study material children. Please open study material all of you. Take the study material and come to page number 54. It's a page number 54 which you have to refer. I'll read the question one by one and simultaneously we'll mark the answers also. I'm starting with the first one children. Okay. The flexibility in plants is due to a tissue called collenchyma. First is C. First C. Second one. The cells of a bark are dead and have a chemical in their walls that make them impervious to gases and water. The chemical is suberin. Okay. Second A. Second A. Impervious means not able to getting into through or not allowing. The girth of the stem or root increases due to girth means it is lateral meristem. Third B. Third B. Fourth one, xylem and phloem are examples of complex tissue. Fourth C. Fourth C. Fifth one, sieve tubes and companion cells are present in phloem. Fifth B. Fifth B. We have seen the xylem and phloem. What are the things which comes under xylem and phloem? Yes or no, children? Okay. So fifth B. Sixth one. Prepared food is transported from leaves to other parts of the plant is through phloem. Phloem is for food. So a sixth D. Sixth D. Sixth D. Seventh one. Parenchyma is richly found in hydrophytes because they need to withstand the water currents and all. If they are heavy, they will not be able to float on the surface of the water. So seventh D. Seventh D children. Eighth one. Which of the following element is not present in xylem? It is sieve tubes. Eighth C. Sieve tubes are present in phloem. Eighth C. Ninth one. Which tissue is responsible for conduction of water from roots to other parts of the plant body? It is ninth A. Xylem. Ninth A children. Ninth A. 10th one. See the following statements. First is parenchyma tissues are thick walled and compactly arranged. Parenchyma tissues are thick walled and tightly packed. So which is the correct one he is asking. A is true and B is false. So 10th B is the correct one. 10th B children. 10th B is the correct option. Done with first 10 all of you? First C, second A, third B, fourth C, fifth B, sixth D, seventh D, eighth C, ninth A, 10th B children. Okay. Now I am reading the 11th one. Which of the following is not correct statement? We have 4 sentences here. I am reading the correct one children. Tissue is a group of cells which do not perform similar functions. Tissues comes together to perform some function. Yes or no? So different tissues, different functions. But tissue is a group of cells which perform similar function. Which do not perform a same. So 11th B is the answer. 11th B. 11th B. 12th one. Which of the following is correct statement? I am reading the correct statement children. Meristematic tissue is the dividing tissue. Yes. 12th A. 12th A is the correct answer. 13th one. Tissues that are present at the growing tip brings the apical dominance. If we cut such tissue in the plant, then naturally apical dominance does not occur. When you are cutting off the tissue itself, how does the growth occurs? So 11th B. 11th B. Sorry. 13th B. 13th B. 14th one children. While observing onion peel, what chemical substance is used before placing cover slip? It is glycerin. 14th B. 14th B. 15th one. Read the sentence. Cortex is the major part of the stem represented by several layers of loosely arranged parenchyma cells. What is the significant fact about cortex in plants? 15th option is C, children. 15th C. 16th one. Which vegetable is suitable and easily available to observe different tissues in plants? Onion. 16th D. 16th D. 17th one. Sita observed the stomata in a slide. Identify A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay. Then A is the correct answer, children. 17th A is the correct answer. 17th A is the correct answer. 18th one. Tanya observed the following diagram under microscope and she told her friend the diagram is cells of a onion peel. 18th B. 18th B. 19th one. By seeing the below picture, Rakesh said that it is storage tissue and parenchyma, but his friend said like this. So we need to choose the, correct the sentence and choose the correct one. That is 19th A. Okay, children. Now 20th one. How do the plants take help of xylem? How do the plants take help of xylem for transportation of water and minerals? That is the correct one. That is 20A. So 20A, children. 20A. Done. Now 21st one. Dash is secreted from the dermal layer of gum trees. It is gum. Okay. 21A. 21A. Then, with 22nd, tissues that bring about overall growth and repair in plants are meristematic tissues. 22nd A. 22nd A. 23rd one, children. Tissues that form outer coverings are called as dermal tissue. 23rd B. 23rd B. Tissues that form the bulk of the plant body are called as ground tissue. 24th C. 24th C. 25th. Tissues that help in transport of material are called vascular tissue. 25D. 25D. 26th. Dermal tissue forms epidermis, mesodermis, endodermis. Dermal tissue is the outer covering. All of you know that. All of us know that. But dermal tissue is again the outer one, middle one and the inner one, children. So epidermis, mesodermis and endodermis. So 26th D. 26th D. 27th. Stomata are enclosed by two guard cells. 27th B. 27th B. 28th. Stomata and root hair helps in exchange of gases, transpiration, absorption of water and mineral salts. Yes, all. 28th D, children. 28th D. 29th. The scientist who coined the term parenchyma for the pithy part of the plant. It is Nehemiah Greaves. 29th B. 29th B. 30th. Identify the vascular tissues. It is both xylem and phloem. So 30C. 30C. 21A, 22A, 23B, 24C, 25D, 26D, 27B, 28D, 29B, 30C. 31st I am reading, children. Hope all are marking the answers. 31. The rosewood xylem carries water up to a height of 330 feet. So 31st C. 31st C, children. 32. Parenchyma that contain chloroplast are called as chlorenchyma. 32A. 32A. 33. A group of cells alike in form, function and origin are called as tissues. 33D. 33D. 34. Identify the component of vascular tissue. Vessel, it is vessel. 34b, 34b, vessel. Xylem is helpful in conduction of water, mechanical strength, identifying the plant species. All the above. 35d children. 35d. 36. Bast fibers present in phloem are useful for making ropes. 36c. 36c. 37. Lignin is the major component in cell walls of the following tissues. Sclerenchyma. 37c children. 37c. 38. This is also called leptomy. That is phloem. That is phloem. 38b children. 39. Arrange the flowchart in the correct order. And the order is cells, tissues, organ system, organism. So 39d children. 39d. 39d. And for the 40th one, root tips contain meristematic tissue. Husk of coconut contains sclerenchyma tissue. Both A and B are correct. So 40D. 40D. 41 children. We have list A and B here, wherein erenchyma, transpiration, dermal tissues are given in list A, and list B we have stomata, mesodermis, help plants to float. We need to match the correct one. Okay, so 41 correct answer is D children. Okay, that is erenchyma helps plants to float, transpiration is through stomata, dermal tissue is mesodermis. So 41D. 41D children. 42. Identify the mismatched pair. It is third. The third one is the wrong mismatched children. Okay. So 42D. 42D. 43 now. Choose the correct matching from the following. List A we have, list B also we have. In list A we have rhizome, pistia and gaseous exchange, wherein list B we have erenchyma, food storage tissue and stomata. And 43 answer is C children. 43 the answer is C. 44. Identify the component of vascular tissue. Tracheids. 44 C. Tracheids. 45. Cambium is also known as lateral meristem. 45 C. 46. Anatomy of plants was published by Nehemiah Grew. So 46 D. 46 D. 47. The last one. Identify the component of the vascular. The last one children. Identify the component of the vascular tissue. 47th is identify the component of the vascular tissue, that is sieve cells. Okay. So 47th one is D1 children. I hope all of you have marked the correct options, and we are done with lesson number 2 including the study material. This is our classwork, and homework is you have to, I already asked you to write the question answers children. So after the lesson you have question answers, yes or no. So please write all the question answers in your classwork and complete the study material. By chance if anyone have not marked any of these questions, please check it out and mark the correct answers. So please complete the question answers in classwork and complete the text, study material also in the book, study material book. Okay, so please, until we start with our next lesson, please go through this, complete your writing part also. Thank you.